this video calls for a little mermaid bait by Mooncat. Oh yes, that'll do. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs and besties? My doll just arrived. From the live-action movie for Disney, The Little Mermaid, here is the doll inspired by the movie. I pre-ordered this doll from Target a while back. It was $14.99. I know other dolls have been showing up in stores, however, I couldn't find any in my area. I drove around all morning, and even websites that said they had it in stock didn't have it in stock when I arrived. Sorry, where was I? Oh yeah, the doll. The Little Mermaid reimagines the beloved story of Ariel, a curious mermaid who longs to experience life on land and finds herself on an unexpected journey of self-discovery. There's a picture on the box of her human form. The doll comes with her fin not attached in the box, so let's cut those little plastic ties. To free her from the box, add the fin just like we do with Dreamtopia Barbies. And this little mermaid is ready to make a splash. Water toys can get messy, it says right here on the box. This doll comes with 4 points of articulation. There's movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. Her face screening looks like some kind of digital printing. It's not super pixelated. You can see a little bit of dotting on the lips, and there is a little shine. Some collectors have suggested using a matte Mod Podge to reduce the shine. I haven't tried it, so experiment at your own risk. This doll has painted edges, a little beauty mark, little eyeshadow. Her hair is a soft red color. There is a mixture of twist and wavy hair. The twists have a different hair texture, and I would have loved to have seen the whole head done this way, but I know that in the movie, part of the hair is out and part of it is in locks. But I'm gonna add a few more twists in there because I am curious to see how it looks. And I love twist, so yeah, I'm doing it. Wow, this is taking forever. I totally forgot how time-consuming it is. We don't have to finish all the hair, do we? Absolutely not. It'll keep it a little more true to the movie, which I am guessing is supposed to be kind of like goddess locks. But I do like the addition of more twist, and I might add a few more later. On this doll, the top is sculpted on. It's painted purple to green ombre on the front. The back is a solid purple. The top of the tail is green, and then we have some screening on the lower part. Purple and blue on the sides, a little green down the center, and some pink. There are more fins and then a large fin at the bottom. There are painted details on the front, and it's a clear glitter in the back. And the back of the tail is a solid green. I love that we're getting a new face sculpt here, and there might be a head swap in her future. I did see online that there is a doll that comes with a stand. Let's see if we can make our own. Let's bring out our silicone mat, grab a couple of glue sticks, and let's get started. I make a line of hot glue, then I begin to add more glue, and we're gonna hope that this will eventually look like a splash. So we're gonna be very generous with the glue and just kind of build it up. We do need to make sure it touches the line. Not go over it, but touch it. And then we're gonna fill in and just keep going all the way across. Allow it to cool. While waiting, let's make a base, which is pretty much just a large mound of glue. Mine's kind of like an oval shape. I need it to be wider than the tail or the fin. Our splash is now dry. It's pretty flexible. I don't know, we might need something a little stronger, or at least something to help it out. What about the packaging? The fin was right here. So let's cut the clear plastic and enclose the bottom of the fin using a little hot glue to connect the sides. Now, when you apply the hot glue is hot and it will melt the plastic. You've been warned. Place it onto the base, add glue to the bottom to attach it, making sure you don't put glue on the actual doll. Once the bottom is secured, let's add a little more glue to the plastic, trying to create a water look. Cut leftover pieces of the packaging, add more glue, allow it to dry. Let's check on the base and it's pretty good. The doll is standing, which is awesome. So let's carefully remove it, then glue on the extra plastic pieces. Then we can add our little hot glue squiggles around the bottom to make what hopefully looks like water splashing. All this hot glue adds a lot of weight, which is awesome because we're going to need it to support the doll. Let's see if it works. Place the fin in the little pocket that we made and let go. Yeah! It's standing and it's actually pretty secure. We now have a doll stand for our mermaid using the packaging. From the plastic part of the box, this is all we have left. And we actually didn't need a lot of the hot glue that we made using the silicone mat. Well, except for the base, we totally needed that. But the hot glue that was on the mat with all the layers is a little more opaque, whereas the hot glue with the plastic is more clear. And it melted into some really cool shapes that looks a little more natural than our hot glue squiggles. And I really like the idea of recycling the doll box into a doll stand. Keep in mind, we are melting plastic. This can get dangerous. You have been warned. But if I get more doll packaging, I totally want to add on. Oh, where did you come from? That's right. I bought two, which means more plastic. To make an even bigger splash, let's put a blue light under it and it glows. Here's a white light. This would be the coolest nightlight ever. Think about all the poses we can do here. Even with the doll leaning, she's still standing pretty secure. We have a lot of glue down there and it's pretty heavy. We can make it look like she is jumping out of the water and jumping back in. That's kind of cool. And now that we have two dolls, we can totally do a head swap. I'm going to use this Made to Move Barbie, but I'll be taking it from this doll because I have two. It's totally not going to be a perfect match. The other option would be the soccer player, and you could probably get away with either one. Which one looks closer on camera? The yoga Barbie or the soccer player? It might be the soccer player. Here she is, ready for a little switcheroo. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. I place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head is soft enough to be removed. Place it onto the new body. I dip the top of her head into the hot water to help it lay a little more. And now we have a Made to Move live action Ariel. And the color match isn't too bad. And now she needs clothes, pink or blue. This blue dress is from the Barbie Advent Calendar. I love the puffy sleeves, but I'm not crazy about the stars. Here's a pink Barbie birthday dress. This might work for an inspired look. Or we can go with an Illy Forever fashion pack and have a little fun. You know I'm kind of partial to the casual look. Overall, I am very happy with our new Splash doll stand and Made to Move doll. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at dolls inspired by the new live-action Little Mermaid movie. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.